Welcome to your practice of Yoga Nidra. Find yourselves a comfortable position with your back fully supported, allowing your body to melt into the support that lies beneath you. Snuggle as much of your back body in towards that surface, and then close your eyes or soften your gaze if that feels more inviting. Take a few deep breaths now. As you inhale, imagine the vastness of the sky, and as you exhale, exhale the weight of the world. Do this a few times, inhaling spaciousness, exhaling anything heavy. Imagine yourself transported to a secluded beach. Feel the warm sun radiating on your skin. The gentle caress of the ocean breeze whispers affirmations of positivity and strength into your ear. As you lie there, bathed in golden light, listen to the rhythmic symphony of the waves crashing onto the shore. This sound itself is the very essence of life itself. A constant ebb and flow, a tapestry woven with moments of joy and sorrow, triumph and tribulation. Bring your awareness to the tips of your toes, wiggling them gently. Feel the warm sand beneath them, or the cool surface you lie upon. Notice any sensations in your ankles, calves, and knees. Relax your legs, allowing any tension to dissolve like a mist in the morning sun. Softly scanning your hips, pelvis, and lower back. Observing any tightness or ease in these areas. Breathe deeply, allowing your breath to flow freely into your lower abdomen. Gently softening your belly with each exhale that you take. Traveling upwards to your chest and your back. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. A perfect reflection of the ocean waves. Let your shoulders go, allowing them to drift downwards from your ears. Feel the warmth of the sun on your chest as you release any tension that might be residing in your upper back. Move your awareness to your arms. Feel the weight of your limbs resting on the sand. Relax your hands completely, allowing them to become as soft as the ocean foam. Notice the space between all of the fingers, space between the thumbs and the first fingers, and let them go. And now bring awareness to your face and your head. Relax your jaw, releasing any tension you might be holding there. Feel the coolness of the breeze on your face, softening your forehead and your scalp. If you notice any thoughts or worries arise, simply observe them with an attitude of gentle curiosity, allowing them to drift away like clouds in a vast blue sky. And now set a gentle intention for your practice. Perhaps it's to cultivate greater emotional resilience, to greet your emotions with equanimity, or to find a deeper sense of peace within yourself, allowing it to take root in the fertile soil of your being. And now imagine yourself standing on the edge of this pristine beach. The sand warm and inviting beneath your feet. Look at the vast expanse of the ocean where you see the waves of different sizes rolling towards the shore. These waves represent the emotions you experience in life. Some waves are small and playful, like feelings of happiness and contentment. They lap at your feet, bringing a sense of joy and lightheartedness. Other waves are larger, more powerful, representing emotions like anger, frustration, or sadness. These waves may crash against you with tremendous force, momentarily knocking you off balance. However, observe how you choose to respond. Do you tense up and resist them? Or do you stand tall and rooted, allowing them to wash over you and recede, leaving you feeling centered and grounded once again? And now see yourself standing strong, a majestic lighthouse amidst the storm. And as each wave approaches, take a deep breath in, acknowledging the emotion that it carries. Feel its intensity, its texture, its temperature. Then, as the wave begins to recede, exhale slowly, letting go of the emotion and returning to a state of calm and equanimity within yourself. You understand that all emotions are fleeting, just like the waves on the shore. Some bring joy, others bring sorrow. They are all a rich part of the tapestry of your human experience. And now imagine yourself surfing these waves of emotion. You are a skilled surfer, more than you could ever imagine, and you ride the waves with grace and ease. You anticipate their movements, allowing them to propel you forward, yet never losing your balance or control. You understand that even the most challenging emotions can be a source of growth and transformation. And now bring your awareness back to your physical body, noticing any sensations that may have arisen during the visualization. Perhaps you have a feeling of strength in your legs, a sense of calm in your chest, or a gentle breeze across your face, softening the face as it brushes past you. Simply observe these sensations without judgment, allowing them to be just as they are. And now ask yourself a gentle inquiry. What did I learn from the waves of emotion today? Perhaps you discovered a new level of resilience, a deeper capacity for self-compassion, or a greater appreciation for the ever-changing rhythm of life. Allow the answer to arise organically, without forcing or straining, as you step into your flow. And as you lay in stillness, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. Or you could say them out loud if that feels comfortable. I am a sanctuary of peace amidst the ocean of emotions. I allow my emotions to flow through me like waves without resistance. My inner strength shows me a way to weather any storm. I respond to life's challenges with grace and understanding. I am at peace with the rhythm of life, embracing both the calm and the chaos. And as you take a few deep breaths here, silently say to yourself, my practice of Yoga Nidra is slowly drawing to a close. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers, followed by your toes. Very slowly bringing awareness and movement back into your body. Gently rock your head from side to side in this slow awakening. Begin to deepen your inhales and exhales, inhaling the vastness of the sky, exhaling the weight of the world, inhaling spaciousness, exhaling anything heavy. And as your breath deepens a little bit more and you rock your head from side to side once again, When you're ready, slowly begin to blink your eyes open and take a moment here to integrate this experience. Do you feel a sense of renewed emotional resilience? A deeper connection to your inner wisdom? Or a newfound appreciation for the ever-changing journey of life? When you feel ready, roll onto your side or adjust your positioning to bring more awareness back into your body. And now that you are fully aware, carry this sense of peace and self-awareness with you throughout your day. Remember, the ocean of emotions is always with you, but you are not the ocean. You are the lighthouse, strong and unwavering, guiding your way through the storms and basking in the sunshine. May you navigate the waves of life with grace, ease, and resilience, forever seeking the calm within. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste.